Well, hello. Good Friday afternoon to you. I decided that I would just sit outside for a few minutes today so that I could talk to you a little bit about some of the things that are going on. Of course, I'm sure by now all of y'all know that Israel has attacked Iran, and I'm sure you know about the riots and all the stuff going on in California, and also the thing where I don't even know who's backing this mess, but anyway, they're saying that they're going to have protests all over the country tomorrow saying no king, and saying that Donald Trump is having a parade for himself for his birthday. And, I don't know where this mess started, but, tomorrow, if you look at your calendar, tomorrow is Flag Day. And tomorrow is the 250th anniversary of the U.S. Army. And the parade that's happening tomorrow is in celebration of the U.S. Army and our flag. And so as patriots, I know a lot of people say, well, we shouldn't be spending money on something like that, but as patriots, we should be celebrating our flag and our military. And so, anyway, I just wanted to start off with that today. Tomorrow, I'm planning to make a trip to neighboring county to a local farm where I go and buy a lot of produce. And hopefully I'm going to come back with some tomatoes and maybe some peppers and onions, and I don't know what all yet, but I do plan to make that trip early tomorrow morning and see what I can get. So be on the lookout for some videos with me doing tomatoes, tomato juice, maybe some pasta sauce, just depends on what I can get when I get there. And then, I don't know what else I might do. Like next week, I know someone asked me about learning how to preserve garlic. I have done that in the past, and there's a couple of ways that you can do garlic. There's some real old ways to preserve garlic, and then there's, of course, you can pickle just about anything. So you could pickle some garlic. And there is a recipe, a way to pickle garlic that doesn't make it taste pickled, and it doesn't take away from the flavor of the garlic. I've done some elephant garlic that way in the past. So anyway, just wanted to stop on for a few minutes and talk to you all. You can see my greenhouse down there, and I've got a few things growing at the greenhouse. Some of my big planters down there are sitting there empty because I've had some health issues, and my husband said, no, you're not going to do a garden this year. So, it is what it is. But I've got quite a few people that I buy from anyway, or can buy from. And I've got green beans that'll be coming probably, I don't know, sometime in the next 2 or 3 weeks, depending on how the weather treats us, and if the rain doesn't keep coming so much that it destroys them in the field. But I'll be doing some green beans pretty soon, and I'm also going to check on getting some peaches, and so just lots of things coming down the pike for canning season. And so anyways, just let me know how you all are doing. I'd appreciate it if you would like and subscribe to my channel. I think I'm about 800 and a little over 800 right now on subscriptions, and I know there's a whole lot more of you that are watching these videos that are not subscribed. So it would help me, and it helps the algorithm, and helps you to be able to see my videos when they pop up. They'll pop up more often if you're subscribed to the channel, if you like the videos, or even if you dislike the videos. And also, if you, talk to me in the videos, let me know what you think about them. Let me know what's going on with you all. One thing that I just did recently on my Facebook page, and I do have a Facebook page that I share all these videos in. I've asked everybody, tell me where you're from, what state are you in? Tell me, what kind of things do you like to can? And can you hear the animals in the background? I hear roosters crowing and chickens and ducks and all kinds of stuff over there at my neighbor's. And but anyway, let me know what kind of things that you're canning this year, what kind of things that you'd like to learn to can, and just let me know what's happening in your life. Let's get to know each other. There's a few people that are watching my channel, and I see them often and I recognize their names. But many of you, I'm sure there are many that are watching my videos that, never comment or anything like that. So let me know you're here, and I will, I'll respond. If you have questions, I'll always respond. If you have comments, I'll usually respond to that too. And so anyway, I'm going to get in and check on my broccoli. I've got broccoli steaming. And so until the next time, God bless you all.